everybody, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we will be doing the unboxing of the January Boxycharms, as well as my mini haul from the Ipsy, I guess it's like the point program or something like that, or discount program, as well as a mini little ShopHush haul, purchasing one new palette. I'm sure everybody can guess which one that is, but if you are interested to see the unboxing of the January Boxycharm as well as what I picked up from Ipsy and ShopHush, then stay tuned. Okay, so I had a little bit of a scare with my Boxycharm for January, guys. I have been a Boxycharm member for well over a year now, and I have never had an issue whatsoever with the shipment. However, this month I had a shipment issue, and I was really freaking out because, as you all know, I love my subscription boxes, and this one had said it was delivered well over a week ago, and I didn't get it, and I was like so heartbroken over it. I had, you know, email customer service, I had Facebook message customer service. I never heard back from them, unfortunately. However, it magically appeared in my mailbox, so yay! So anyways, let's go ahead and do the unboxing, and then we'll get in and I will show you guys what I picked up from Ipsy. It was a crazy great deal, as well as what I got from ShopHush. So right off the bat, as we always know, Ipsy does supply a card for us, letting us know a little bit about each box, as well as how much the grand total is after you add everything up. So right here the postcard says Rock 2018. It's a rock and roll soul, and the first thing we received, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys know me, I love watching Kathleen Lights, and she does her Boxycharm unboxings, and 9 times out of 10 her and I get the exact same box. So with that being said, I did see that she received the Pores No More, well, this is by Dr. Brandt, the Pores No More Luminizer Primer Base. So anyways, I did receive this, and of course I got right into it. This is so pretty. You know, as I've told you guys before, I do have normal to oily combination skin. I do feel though with the new skin, well, I call it the new skincare, I've been using it for a few months now, that I've been using, I feel like it has really helped my T-zone out to be less oily. So we'll see, you know, continuing the skincare if that helps. But when I find things that are luminous or says luminous, I tend to, for the most part, stay away from them. But I will tell you guys, this is like has a very nice luminosity to it, but not to the point that it is like showing every single pore that you have. And for me personally, I have very, very large pores that clog super easy. So I'm very, very I'm very, very careful with, you know, certain highlighters that I use, or certain primers that I use, certain foundations, things like that. So I will say I was pleasantly surprised and very, very happy with the fact that this is not one of those overly, you know, glittery type of primers. So I definitely will be trying this out, and it smells nice as well, just to throw that in there. This does retail for $38 as well. Next is by IT Cosmetics. This one I actually have not opened yet. This is in Universal Taupe. This says it is a brow powder universal eyebrow pencil. So let's get right into this. Okay, so it looks like there's two sides. You have one side with the spoolie. Okay. Alright, and then this side, you know, is, as for this pencil, I will try it out. I think the color will be okay. I mean, okay, can we just address the elephant in the room real quick? Yesterday I used my sunless tanner on my face, and I forgot to do my hand. Yeah. If you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, you saw me make a post of it. You know, the face you make when you realize you forgot to self-tan your hand and went about your day like that. Yeah. So anyway, and this one seems more of a, like a thicker, I don't know, it may work. We will definitely try it out. Maybe I'll do some sort of, you know, hit or misses from Boxycharm or something like that. But anyways, at least the color is perfect. It's one that I will definitely be able to use. Again, this retails for $24 as well. Okay, so next we have, this is the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette that retails for $25. This is from Crown. And check this out. Of course I got into this, guys. Hold on, let's move that. Look how pretty and cute this is. These colors, I have to swatch them for you guys. This is the shade Heavy Metal. It's like this gun smoky bluish color. And then this shade right here is Rebel. Check these out. They are so gorgeous. I'm really excited about, here I go singing again. I'm really excited about this palette. So if you guys want to see a look that I can create with this palette in particular, then leave a comment down below or make sure to hit the like button and I will definitely do a look for you guys. This shade is called Rock On and it's this really pretty like goldish color, but it also has like this olive green or something type of undertone to it. It's cool. So I am very, very excited to try this palette out. I tell you what, Boxycharm has been doing a fabulous job. If you guys are watching, shout out to you, Boxycharm, on their palettes. I love their palettes here lately. Okay, so like I said, this does retail for $25. Next is the Pure Complexion Authority Bronze and Brightening Cheek Palette. This does retail for $34, and I'm going to tell you guys right now, these shades, I saw them and I'm like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so my camera is not picking up how vibrant these colors are. They're very pretty, but here, let me tell you something. This color right here, do you see how even on my finger, I'm checking my monitor, it is a very shimmery, to me it's like one of the eyeshadows. Let me swatch it right here for you guys. Check this out. Okay. Do you see I mean, it's pigmented as all get out. It's fabulous. To me, it's like, would be a very pretty eyeshadow, but it has a lot of a shimmer to it. I don't gravitate towards bronzers that have the shimmer in them. I do prefer more of a matte type of bronzer, but I think as far as using this shade as an eyeshadow, I think it would be really pretty. I haven't played with it on my cheeks or anything like that, so I will definitely play around with it and see, you know, how I like it and everything. But off the bat, when I swatched it, I was like, oh, wow, okay. I will tell you guys, this highlighter is a dream. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? It's like this really pretty vanilla slash champagne, not champagne, slash gold. And it is so pretty. It looks like it just melts into your skin. Next, I want to show you guys the blush. Again, very pigmented. And again, it has almost like this, I don't want to call it an iridescent, but a shimmer to it. I think it could blend out pretty well. But again, I feel like honestly this would be better suited on a deeper skin tone than me, maybe. I don't know. But I'm going to play around with it. I do think it's pretty. I was just a little like taken back by it. I'm not going to lie. But it's pretty. Again, it retails for $34. The last thing in my Boxycharm is by Galactic. It is a matte lip paint. Sorry guys, I am reading my card as I talk to you guys. This does retail for $23. Alright, so it looks like this. I tell you what, I'm getting a lot. I love when it smells like cupcakes or candy or warm, yummy cookies. Let's just put it on here. I'm getting a lot of this color. I think it was in my Ipsy bag I received this exact shade, only a different brand. So, I mean, it's pretty, but like I said, in my Ipsy unbagging, those colors are pretty dark, and I feel like even though they're probably meant for winter months, fall months, and things like that, with my skin tone, especially in the winter time, I don't know. I mean, it looks pretty here. Okay, so the grand total for the Boxycharm box for the month of January was $144, guys. Like, that's insane. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a subscription box that you receive every single month for $21. And this month's box with all of these products totaled $144. That's amazing. Anyways, that's the box for the month of January. Now I'm going to move on and we are going to talk about what I picked up from Ipsy. Now again, Ipsy is another subscription service. It is $10 a month. My daughter and I do a lot of Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter videos showing the difference between our bags for each and every single month. Now, when you are a subscriber to Ipsy, every month you earn a certain amount of points, as well as they have different items that they go on sale and you can get at a discounted price. So, with that being said, I was able to pick up the Chloe Morello, I think it's called, Beauty Haul Volume 2. Now, this is by Ciate London. Now, I have never even used any of the eyeshadow palettes or anything from Ciate London. Y'all know me. You know that I never enunciate things correctly, so I'm just going to apologize right now to Ciate London for that. Now, what it was is it's the palette, a lipstick, an eyeliner, and a mascara. Now, I know when this was at, I believe it was Sephora, I want to say this set was maybe like $40 to $50 or something, but with my Ipsy discount that they had given me, and I received $5 off, I only paid $21.50 for this entire collection. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what I received in here. Like I said, this is a liquid velvet lipstick in the shade Sydney, and it's really pretty. And it doesn't have too much of a smell, but this is a really pretty matte formula. Oh, I took the other one off. It's not as dark as the one I received in my Boxycharm, and this is more of a pinky mauve shade, so I really like that. Like I said, next is an eyeliner, and it looks like it's actually a liquid type of eyeliner, so that's exciting. I'm not going to open that because I did just receive one in my Ipsy bag, and I want to work with that one first. Now, of course, you guys know I'm a mascara junkie, so here is I got to open that. I really like the wand on that one. Again, I've never tried Ciate London's mascara formulas, but I will be trying that very soon. And last but not least, the palette. So here is the palette. You do get 20 shades in here, and it is a mixture, it looks like, of different mattes with some shimmers. And can I just tell you guys, that shade is speaking to me. That is just gorgeous. Ooh, that's pretty. I'd almost call that like a satiny type of shimmer or something. I don't know what my obsession has been with greens lately, guys. It's actually kind of sheer, this one. But look at those greens, they're so pretty. So, like I said, I've never tried these, any of the Ciate London formulas or anything like that. But I thought for $21.50, I was going to make that mine. So, anyways, I'm excited to try that. Last but not least, from ShopHush, I did pick up the new Artistry palette by Bad Habits. It looks like this. It's absolutely beautiful. You get a total of 12 shades. Of course, you get the beautiful little mirror. Now, this is supposed to be a dupe for, I believe it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mario palette. Unfortunately, I don't have that palette. I would love to do a dupe video for you guys, but like I said, I don't have the palette. However, I did use this on my eyes today, and I love it. I absolutely love, 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 love the formula for this palette. Bad Habits is just spoiling us left and right with their formula. I can't say anything wrong when it comes to Bad Habit palettes. So anyways, this retailed, I believe, for $12 again on the ShopHush app is where I picked it up at. Again, I'm not sponsored or affiliated or anything like that. But anyways, that is my little mini haul of everything. If you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure, like I said, to hit the like button down below. And again, if you guys want to see a look with this one too, heck, any palette you want to see a look with, leave a comment down below. Let your girl know, and I will put something together for you guys. So anyways, this is probably a longer video than you expected, so I'm going to apologize right now. But if you did make it until the end of my video, mwah, thank you so much. I truly appreciate your support and your love and your overwhelming kindness and support for my channel. My channel has been growing, and with YouTube changing the rules, I truly appreciate you guys staying to the end of my videos and watching my videos, hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified when I upload a video. But anyways, that's the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and like I said, I know I sound like a broken record. Please make sure to hit those like buttons as well as that subscribe button and a little bell next to it so you can be notified every time that I upload a video. So until next time, my friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye!